All right, guys, new week. New me. Dan, what do you think? We're bringing them back.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a poker, we with all that. Yeah.
Colin's loading up some boulders here. This is gonna be an interesting week, no doubt about it. It's gonna be very interesting. Very interesting. We've got 5 job sites open today. 5 job sites open. We're starting 4 different projects today, and then the Wyoming project's still ongoing. Colton and Ryan are up there, so we're gonna keep you guys tuned. It's the week before the 4th. It's go time. I mean, it's been go time all year, but it's kind of crunch time now because there's a lot of people that want their stuff done before the 4th, and we've just been slammed. So we're trying to get everything done. Looks like the last 2 boulders here, and then he's on his way. All right, we just got out to the other job site here. Nick and Jake are working on this one. We are going to be building a boulder wall here. The plan is, I'll show you guys in a minute, this whole fence here below it, all this is going to get taken out. Nice boulder wall. Going to clear out some of this undergrowth brush so these trees can grow, clear out some of this stuff, and build a pretty decent sized boulder wall down here. The deer flies are actually pretty bad here, but so all this is coming out all along here. And what we're going to be doing is building a wall.
We're going to build the wall. We have no choice.
Back here, all the way over through here. So all these little shade things, you know, this sucker trees are going to go. That is the plan. So all this will get opened up and we'll have a nice wall here. That's the goal for this one. We've got, this is the 4th job site we've opened up today. We are pushing to get stuff done before July 4th. Biggest struggles this year, materials, timing on stuff, and materials and timing. Super stressful, super difficult to get stuff on time. It's been really difficult, so it's just been kind of a nightmare for coordinating everything. It's made my life difficult, being the guy that coordinates pretty much everything. So these guys are going to get started on this, and then we'll go check on one of the other sites here. Alright, we're out here on this job site. This is job site number 1 or 2 or whatever. We had the boulder wall going. These guys are going on this. There's gonna be a patio here. We've got outdoor kitchens. It's gonna sit here. This is gonna be a circle here, fire pit, freestanding wall that goes to retaining on the backside because of our elevation change here. Because this will be up here a ways. Fire pit, gas fire pit. We're gonna have natural gas grill. That's what our sleeve's for. And we're gonna have a 4-step stoop over here going up to this porch door that's right there on the side. neighbors just got 800,000 arborvitaes put in. They'll chop those down in a few years when they're too tall. Neighbors down the block got something else put in by Spears Landscaping. Jurassic Dan's got his hat. New 259 D3. Right now what we're doing is we're bringing in compactable sand clay fill. Gonna bring it up a few feet, and then we're gonna do our 8 inches of gravel on top of that, then our full layer of sand pavers in there.
A shame, think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else. No. But they all see is you need help. But still you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away.
I feel like what's better
you got to watch your back
when it doesn't realize.
You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder. Yeah. You try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You try so hard. Yeah. You try so hard. You try so hard. Yeah. You try so hard. Give me, Can't run away, baby. You gon' pay. Still you try so hard.
Rain's starting to come down now. Hiding under this tree here. Take off here. As much as I'd love to stick around in the rain. I bet it's coming down. It's coming down. Oh shit. Oh shit. My seat is soaked. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, unreal. You know what the best part is I haven't had AC in this truck all year. So these windows are gonna be foggy as shit on the way home now. Nice. All right, this is the boulder wall. It's coming along. This is this little shed thing. This camera's pretty cool, actually. It's brighter on the camera right now on this phone than it is in person. So, at its... Dad's getting frustrated. This is about my head height, so what, we got an 8 foot tall down here? All right, back out here at the boulder wall job. Boulder wall's done. They just wanted us to clear some buckthorn around this pond, grade it out. Jake's doing that right now, and then we're gonna just seed it all. Try to get some grass to grow around the pond thing here. So we just pulled the buckthorn out, raking it out. Get ready for some seed. Wall turned out well.
Think something new under the sun. You can't take back some things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else.
All right, the battery just died on the camera. Go figure. So we're using the phone now. But just at this one and this one, this is kind of a tricky spot here because we're working right underneath the power line, right off the road. Trying to be mindful of our counter swing on this so we're not going into traffic. Ryan's gonna grab a few more pipe here. You got probably 3 feet. Probably got like 3-4 feet when you were. Yeah. All right, we got this put in here. It's all installed. We brought the generator we had to hammer drill some holes into this pipe down here for our tie rod ends, like that's over there. But literally the first pull on the recoil on the generator, we tested it, had it running at the shop, put it in, get it up here, first pull, snap the recoil. So now we're gonna have to get a new recoil, drill some holes, and then we can finish backfilling all this. We've got trucks scheduled for next Wednesday to start trucking sand and material in, and we're gonna go from there. So we gotta touch up the road, do some mortar on the structures, and then the road will be good, ready for base. So until next week, we're calling it a week. We'll see you guys next time.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big